हाय गाइस, आई एम डॉक्टर रजत। मेरे साथ हैं पूजा जी, जो मेरे पास आई थी डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स के लिए। तो लोअर में हमने पूरा रिहैब किया और आज कंप्लीट कर दिया इनका ट्रीटमेंट। तो जानना चाहूँगा इनका फीडबैक। हाँ जी, यस पूजा, हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन यू केम टू मी? लॉट ऑफ एप्रीहेंशंस एंड नाउ फाइनली we are done with our treatment.
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Excellent. My experience has been really good and commendable. No pain, nothing, and I think it was the best decision that I came to you.
So as expected, you were apprehensive regarding the shape, the size, the color, and then मेरे को pain होगा या नहीं होगा treatment के बाद, because you have seen a lot of videos and I think you're following me on Instagram as well.
Yeah, definitely. I was very confused, but then when I came here, it took me a little while, but then by the grace of God, everything was really good. Really
so now,
good.
I just want to know, are dental implants painful?
No, not at all. Not at all.
So you've seen it all, how the implants are placed, how the trial has been done. We do shoot a lot of photographs, and so you now know the whole process.
Yes,
so
definitely.
You will have to also share with your friends.
I would recommend everyone. You shouldn't think twice. Just come, and I think he's the best person for this.
Thanks
implants.
a lot. और सबसे important चीज़ ये थी कि you knew so many dentists.
Definitely,
lot of your friends as well.
Yeah, I left one of my best friends. I mean, I've been associated with her since last 20 years. But then still I came here and I've had a good experience.
Chalo, I'm happy that we did the job very well and you are satisfied. I just want you to share your experience with your friends and share your dental implants experience with others as well.
Of course.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.